The Philippine government announced that they are considering the acquisition of 12 units of L-39NG aircraft from Czech aircraft manufacturer Aero Vodakody. This statement comes following a meeting between the Secretary of National Defense of the Philippines, Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr., and the Ambassador of the Czech Republic to the Philippines, H.E. Karel Heck. According to an official statement, the decision to explore the acquisition of L-39NG aircraft was made due to the considered affordability of the aircraft's price within the Philippines' military budget. During the meeting, Aero Vodakody's CEO and President, Victor Sotona, emphasized that the aircraft provides a comprehensive training solution, including the L-39NG aircraft itself, training for pilots and ground staff, simulation solutions, advanced maintenance concepts, and sophisticated weapon systems. The L-39NG aircraft has numerous advantages, including a reasonable price, and can effectively meet the training needs of the Philippine Air Force. We believe this will be a valuable addition to the modernization efforts of our Air Force, stated the Secretary of National Defense of the Philippines in a press conference after the meeting. In an attempt to replace the aging S-211 aircraft currently used for training fighter pilots, the Philippines sees the L-39NG as a strategic option. In addition to its affordable price, the aircraft offers comprehensive training capabilities, crucial in producing high-quality pilots. The joint statement issued after the meeting also emphasized that this acquisition would support the modernization of the Philippine Air Force, aligning with their long-term plans to enhance the defense capabilities of the nation. The success of the Philippines in acquiring the L-39NG aircraft will be a significant step towards achieving a credible minimum defense posture. The Philippine authorities stress that, although the decision seems to have been made, there is still a possibility of changes in preferences or schedules related to the training aircraft acquisition project, depending on future circumstances. Secretary of National Defense Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr. met H.E. Karel Heck, Ambassador of the Czech Republic to the Philippines, during the ambassador's courtesy call at the Department of National Defense. The two officials looked forward to closer engagements between the Philippines and the Czech Republic and cooperation on emerging technologies where synergies may converge. Secretary Teodoro thanked the Czech Republic for its support amidst external aggression and emphasized the need to speed up the Philippines' resilience measures and sustainability in the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP's modernization. Stressing the Czech government's commitment to supporting the Philippines in defending international law, Ambassador Heck emphasized the strength of the Czech Republic's defense industries and highlighted the Czech Republic's offer of trainer jets, transport aircraft, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) equipment, radars, and the maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO) of defense equipment. The Philippine Air Force is currently looking for a replacement for the outdated S-211s, which are primarily used to train fighter pilots. The L-39NG concept offers the Philippine Air Force several advantages. Among its greatest strengths are the comprehensive training system, which includes the L-39NG aircraft, pilot and ground staff training, simulation solutions, advanced maintenance concepts, and weapon systems, said Victor Sotona, CEO and president of the company. Czech aircraft manufacturer Aero has successfully flown the first series-produced L-39NG aircraft. With the support of the Ministry of Defense of the Czech Republic and the Embassy of the Czech Republic in Manila, Aero representatives held meetings with the Philippines Secretary of National Defense. It was a new historical milestone when the first serial production L-39NG aircraft flight met all expectations. During the flight, the pilots tested the functions of the trainer aircraft within the scope of a standard factory sortie program. The flight that tested the behavior of the L-39NG lasted approximately 40 minutes. The pilots verified the functions of the engine, aircraft systems, and avionics, as well as the handling and behavior of the aircraft in all phases of flight, from takeoff through aerobatics to landing. Testing was carried out at a range of altitudes from 0 to 8,500 meters and speeds from stall to maximum, Mach number 0.8 or 900 kilometers per hour. It remains to be seen now, as there may still be changes in preferences regarding the trainer aircraft acquisition project, where planning and even the timeline may change without prior notice.